Have you ever picked your phone just for 5 minutes and suddenly an hour is gone? I have done that so many times, more than I would like to admit. One day, I realized I was just not losing my time, I was losing my attention. For a long time, I thought I didn't have enough time to work on my goals. I always wanted to make YouTube videos, exercise consistently, eat healthy, learn skills, but every time I had a few minutes, I always reached for my phone, standing in a line, waiting for the train, eating lunch, or even before going to sleep. Without realizing it, every small moments that I could have been spending thinking, learning, or simply resting was filled with scrolling. I once heard this idea: if you measure in minor things, you will have less time and energy for the things that matter the most. And that really stayed with me. For me, social media is a minor thing. I'm not saying it's bad. In fact, for many people, social media is their career. But for me, it's not my main goal. My main goals are my health, my relationships, my career, building this YouTube channel, and creating a meaningful life. So why I was giving so much attention to something that wasn't helping me build any of those? Now I still use my social media, but I use it intentionally, because every time I say yes to something, that also means I'm saying no to something else. So here's the question I have been asking myself lately: is what I'm giving my attention to is actually helping me to build my life that I really want? And that one question has changed the way I spend my days.